Greetings. In case you don't recognize me, I'm Mr. Cook, your social studies teacher. I want to apologize for the hiccups with Google Classroom. I'm learning. I'm trying. We'll get there. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate the comments, and I appreciate the patience through all these hiccups. Have the bestest, restest of day you could ever have.